Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get complete headless look on Roblox. So there is a new head that gives you complete headless. First of all, go in marketplace. Now you have to go to in shorts and choose recently created. Now in category you have to choose head from head. So there is a new head right now which is freesbie, and this is a gives you a headless look. So let's get this item. So you just need to click on get now button or buy a button to get this item. Once you get it, let me show you how can you make this item headless. Let's see how it looks. This is guys before equipping the head. Now let me just equip this head, and as you can see, it gives you complete headless look. Can you see complete headless look? So yeah. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.